Hi guys, I'm Inori and welcome back to my channel. Guess what's the date today? 14th of Feb. It's my birthday! And I just turned 17. Am I mentally 17? Quite questionable. But putting that aside, you know what's the most favorite part of birthdays about me? I mean, in general, for everyone, if I'm not wrong. The gifts! So, as we can see, a lot is here. I'll start from this side because I want to. This is the first gift, and my guess would be that it's a dress, and I really love the color, like it's hot Barbie pink. So yeah. Oh, it is a dress. Never mind. This is not a dress. This is actually a jumpsuit. This actually looks very cute and comfy. What do you guys think? Should I change into this and sit instead? Let's do that. So I'll do a transition. Editor, please do it. Already changed into my first birthday gift and I hope my editor does her job. वरना तो फिर मेरा पोपट हो जाएगा. I've changed the setup too because I did not really wanted to drop any of these precious gifts like I did in the last video. Let's start with this box because I already know what's inside because I got it last night. This is the Garnier sheet mask, like the pure charcoal ones, and I really like this ones. I got 3 of these, but I've already used one last night. Then I have this headband, skincare headband, and it's of animal print because I really love cheetah print. We have the Derma Co Kojic face serum because I wanted to try something different. We have minimalist body wash, and if you are someone with acne, like I really have a lot of acne, so it's a really good one. I really like this one. Then we have the Beauty of Joseon Sun Relief Duo. This is a face serum and this is a sunscreen. It's really nice and good for the acne prone and oily skin girlies. I would highly recommend getting this one and the minimalist body wash. Now we have the box which is behind the bag. It has, oh wait, oh this is a pajama set. Damn, this has a bunny on it. Can you guys see it? This feels like a really good material. Oh, we have shorts. I would genuinely love shorts in my this is a 3-piece. Damn. We have a full-length pajamas and a short and then a t-shirt. This is a really good material. I really like this one. Then what do we have? Wait. Oh, hi, I really don't know. I have never really expected these many gifts. These are silk pajama. Bro. This looks really pretty. Like, this is the perfect silk pajamas which I once showed my mom, saying कि मम्मी मेरे को भी silk वाला pajamas दे दो. All the it girls got them. I am really looking forward to wearing both of these pajamas because they are really cute. Oh, let's go for the white one. We have what? Oh, we have a t-shirt. It's a graphic t-shirt. It says school. The school soul. I'm very cool. This is taped. This is a dress. You guys know those viral those almost bodycon but not bodycon types of dress? It's that one. It's in black. Wait. I showed it wrong. Looks really pretty to me. Let's continue. Oh! Can you guys see it? We have Goku. I can't open it. Let's open the big box. That's actually heavy. It's got a bulb. Bhai. This is Ferrero Rocher. This is Toblerone. Where is it? This is Toblerone. And we have Monster Energy. A box full of these. I mean, let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 13 Monster Energy. And it's not good, but I'm really thankful that I got 13 of these. Alfie. That's a chocolate. I mean, as I got a chocolate from here, I am really tempted to put my hand in this one again. Wait, this is a... I can't real... Oh! These are caramel popcorn. And it's from the Gourmet Snack collection. This is a very premium product, I have to say. It's food, I can't stop. We've got Mogu Mogu. I don't know if you're a Mogu Mogu fan too. If you really like Mogu Mogu, do let me know in the comment section below. Pringles. I can't really stop now. I will get it all done. I genuinely have no words because this has to be my most favorite Dairy Milk. I don't know if I have any other favorites over that. Another Pringles. This is the Desi Masala Tadka and this is the sour cream and onion. Wait, it's not just food. Oh, it's stamped. It looks cute, it's stamped. I don't really want to tear it apart, I'm not sure. Or should I? I have a very pink cute cutter. I feel sorry, but let's rip it apart. Did I rip it apart? Yes. I can't read. Oh, this is a diary. It's a diary. It says ticket to anywhere. It's got a really pretty, it's a travel planner. Let's open another one. Am I hoping for a food item again? Yes, I am. I am so happy. I hope that it would be a food item and it is. That I love Lotte Choco. These are freshly baked Australian cookies. I don't think इसमें सुई धागा भरा होगा because this is packed. Like, can you see it? It's packed. So I have another one. I love Musha by Milky Bars. I genuinely love them a lot. Chocolate, gems, and 5-star. I am loving this. I love this bag. Shall we just peep? Toblerone. I mean, I'm not really sure how you guys will react to this, but I love food. Is it empty? I'll again check. Oh, this is a... I really love the way these are very goodly stamped. मेरे को नहीं पता goodly को और क्या बोलूँ मैं. I am ripping that off. My nail. Wait, did you guys never tell me I lost 2 of these? I was so into the gift, मेरे को realize ही नहीं I lost 2 of my nails. Do let me know कि तुम लोग ने देखे कहाँ उड़ गए. These are... Wait. These are makeup brushes. And these are like a whole set of makeup brushes जितना मैं makeup use भी नहीं करती. और एक बार हाथ डालते हैं. We've got very cutely stamped brown paper. इसको मैं फाड़ दूँगी. Let's guess इसके अंदर क्या है. You guys do let me know about your guesses by... Oh, sunshine. Okay. This is a sipper. This is a very cute and small sipper. It's glass. So I guess I'll just fill it in with my Mogu Mogu. Because this will look so pretty and it has written life is full of sunshine. Which is like a daily reminder. It even got pearls. This is so cute. Wait. It's Southwest Chipotle dressing. It is my absolute go-to because I really can't have tomatoes. So this has to be my most favorite and the most unexpected gift because who thought? It's another one. I'm really scared of opening stuff like this though. This is a lantern. This is a diary. Damn, it's more of a journal. This is a... Where does it open from? This is a journal. Like, it's got that vintage lock. Let me show you what I mean. You know, you guys know this types of lock. This is a very pretty journal. It got blank pages. It's got blank pages. And it's tied together. So it's very pretty. I wanted a journal to start journaling. This is your sign to start journaling too if it has been on your to-do list since 3-4 years but never started it. We are done with this side. Let's move on with this one. I mean, I can pretty much see what's inside. So I'll start with the one which I am really excited for and really needed. It's by Plum Body Loving and it's a perfume. Let me open it and show it to you guys. It has been on my favorite and want to buy list because I really love all the products by Plum. This is the Vanilla Vibes perfume. I already own a body mist, shower gel,
Scrub.
and a scrub by
Hand cream.
Plum. Oh, and even a hand cream. So it's pretty much the whole set. I really like Plum. Then we've got a golden rose. It's just for decorative purposes, but you know why do I like it a lot? A lot. Why do I like it a lot? It basically gives me a lot of a Beauty and the Beast vibes. And I really like Belle. I like reading. So yeah. Beauty and the Beast vibe. Next we have Mitzi. And you guys won't see me reacting to this a lot because last night I saw this and I cried. So let's move on to the next gift. Next we have something which has 48 pieces written on it. So we don't know. These are those markers. Like, do you know those two-sided markers? It's for journaling. As I mentioned that I really wanted to start journaling but I never did. This has to be a sign of me starting the journey. Next we have a screen protector. Why do we need a screen protector? It's because I used a type of a phone which was very new and it was very hard for me to find. We even have a phone case. Did I cut myself off? Yes, I did. But this is genuinely one of those two things which I needed a lot because my phone was so new that I couldn't really find a good case or a screen protector anywhere when I bought the phone. Next we have... Oh! If you guys don't know this figure, you guys definitely did not leave in 2025. So let's... Did my sister open it?
Oops.
My sister loves Labubu as much as I do. We both equally love Labubu. And we've got a very beautiful Labubu because every Babubu... I am so happy happy for this Babubu. I forgot its name, that it's Labubu. It's the loyalty one. I mean, you guys see, I'm so loyal. My sister had to give me a loyalty Labubu.
Labubu.
Labubu. I forgot the name. I'm very sorry, Labubu. Then we've got another brown paper. Is that something? Okay. I'm so sorry. We've got a brown back. This looks like books, and I'm not sure which ones are they. Am I even audible? Am I that low that you can't hear me? I guess I am. Oh, this is Bride and Maid by Ali Hazelwood, and this has been on my TBR list since a long time. So I mean, Ali Hazelwood is my favorite author, and I really like her books. And why am I most interested for this one? Because this has werewolf. So I'm really looking forward to this because I really wanted this since a long time, and physical books makes it better. So I would give a really big shout out to my sister because I know she bought it. I know she bought it even if she did not say it to me.
Obviously.
Thank you so much.
It's for me, anyways.
Both of us.
Same interest. This is your sign to start sharing stuff with your siblings, because the more common interest you have, the more things you'll be able to buy, because both of you want it
Yeah,
equally.
because only the elder one pays.
Yeah, I mean, perks of having an elder sibling. It's always too good to have an elder sibling. I'm sorry if you don't have one. Then, we've got stickers. And one is foodie party. So this one is definitely for me. And another one is funny happy day.
Yeah,
So
it's
these
for
are
me.
basically my moods throughout all the years
Still
till I
it's
have
for me.
lived.
Still it's for me.
Yeah. So these are for journaling. So basically we've got a whole journaling set. All that it's left is to start journaling.
Yeah. Hopefully she will.
Yeah. I will this time. Then we've got something which says, here you go, all the way from Mumbai.
Which means
It's from Shreya, the long distance friend whom I forgot that how to say it's long distance friendship. I'll open it because it looks very delicate, so I'll need to be very careful while opening this. I'm so sorry, I am shutting my mouth because when I'm focused I shut my mouth.
who?
I do.
You said day.
Huh. Damn, I'm so sorry. I can't open this.
Did you ever do?
I cut the tapes if I'm not wrong. I did.
You did on that. So
I did not cut the.
I told you.
Happens. Life goes on.
Life goes on.
I don't know what to say. I mean, just a second.
Thank you. Is what you are supposed to say.
Thank you so much for this. And if you don't know, this is from
Me.
yeah.
Me.
Shreya. This is from my sister and Shreya. And why it's precious? It's because firstly they gifted to me, and second it's Jungkook. And if you guys don't know why Jungkook precious, is because Jungkook is my bias. And everyone knows to which group he belongs, so I don't think I need to mention that. Wait.
Yeah.
It's not a poster or a photo, it's from Golden The Moments exhibition. So we've even got this this is the ticket, and this is the photo card which you get when you go there. Let's open it together. I'm very nervous and excited at the same time, to be honest. First you guys see it, then I'll check it.
Shake it.
Shake it.
Shake. Shake.
Is it good?
Now she gonna cry.
And this is the gift from my friend. This is a handmade chocolate bouquet. It's given to me by my friend Ruchika, and I would like to say thank you so much कि तूने मेरे लिए genuinely इतना मेहनत करा, because I was so happy to know that you made it in the last 15 or half an hour left. It's like 15 to 30 minutes. I really appreciate the efforts. Like, thank you so much, yaar. I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, because she cried already.
Yeah, because I lose my words when I'm very happy, so I just cry. So हम वो part vlog से cut कर देंगे where I cry, because I cry very ugly and I don't want to ruin my makeup. So thank you so much for all these different gifts, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm really grateful for all the gifts, for all the birthday wishes, and the texts which I got on my 17th birthday. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope if you guys did not wish me birthday yet because you were not aware, you'll wish me now. Thank you so much in advance, because I really appreciate each and every one of you. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. It has been a very emotional and chaotic one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care, bubbles. Bye bye. Jai Shri Krishna. Because I'm a Gujju, right? Jai Shri Krishna.